Hello and welcome to Financial Accounting. In the last video, we went over the calculation of interest on notes receivable. I'm posting the link here and in the description box if you would like to review it. In this video, I will show you how to do the same in Excel. I have more videos on how Excel can be useful in accounting and business to make your work easier. All videos are in the playlist Excel for Accounting. I'm posting the link here and in the description box. First, enter the data in an Excel spreadsheet. We will organize the data in a table once we're done entering the formulas. Now let's start working on the formulas in cell F2. We will write the formula for the first scenario and then copy it to all lines. Click on cell F2, enter the equal sign, then click on cell C2, which is the face amount of the first note receivable. Type the multiplication sign, an asterisk, then click on the cell D2, which is 8%. Note that if you entered a number without a percentage sign in the interest rate column, you would need to divide the rate by 100 in the formula. Type the multiplication sign and click on cell E2, which is the term of the note. Then type the divide sign and number 360. 360 is the approximate number of days in the year and is used for simplicity. Press enter. You can see the formula in the formula bar at the top of the screen. The formula is equal sign C2 multiplied by D2 multiplied by E2 and divided by 360. Now let's copy the formula down. Microsoft Excel provides an easy way to copy the formula. Select the cell with the formula and hover the mouse cursor over a small square at the lower right-hand corner of the cell, which is called the fill handle. As you do this, the cursor will change to a thick black cross. Hold and drag the fill handle down the column over the cells where you want to copy the formula. Alternatively, you can double-click on the cross and Excel will copy down the formulas for you. Since we don't have many rows, you can also copy and paste the formula by using the shortcuts Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. Now, let's work on organizing our data in a table. Excel table is a great tool that helps manage and analyze a group of related data, for example, to sort or filter it. You can format the table and apply a fancy color scheme so it looks more professional. The easiest way to organize the data in a table is to select the range of cells in your spreadsheet that you want to convert to a table and open the Home tab. Click the Format as Table drop-down box in the ribbon and choose the style you'd like to use. Click OK to confirm your cell range. Go back to the Home tab to work on formatting. If you need to change the format of the dates, select the column, right-click and select Format Cells, then select Date under the Number tab and select the desired date type. Click OK. To format the amounts, select the column, then click on the Comma Style button, and if you don't want to have decimals, click twice on the Decrease Decimals button. You can do the same to the interest amount column, but keep the decimals as we want to see the cents. To change the format to percent for the interest rate, select the column and click on the Percent Style button. Select the upper row, right-click and select Format Cells, go to the Alignment tab and check the Wrap Text box. You can also change the size of the columns and center the text to make the table look more professional. If you would like to align the text vertically, select the upper row again, right-click, select Format Cell, and select Top from the drop-down menu for vertical alignment. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell so you are notified when we release more videos like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again in the next video.